We're at the Hilton Oldtown in Alexandria in Washington, D.C. It's kind of fancy up here. This is the 5th floor where we're going to be staying. We're in room 512. Let's go take a look. There's some nice paintings. Let me tell you, there's not much light in here because apparently when we got here,
they said the power's out.
They said the power's out.
Like 3 blocks wide.
Right, so it is a little grainy, my video is. We've got a good view.
Why does that have to do with the power?
There's not much lighting in here. A good view of trains.
Oh, yeah.
And a Capitol thing.
The Washington Monument.
That is not the Washington Monument.
The Washington...
That is like some sort of Masonic.
The Washington Masonic Monument. Excuse me.
All right, anyway. And
at least you got the view of it. That's cool.
It is cool. And these are our beds. Bed 1. Bed 2. These are our paintings. And this is our refrigerator, but it's not going to work in just a second because we don't have power, they said. And what did they say? How much does it cost to park here?
Oh man, it was like $22 a night.
It's expensive to park here.
Plus $18 in taxes.
Plus $18 in taxes. So it was not cheap. It's going to cost us a lot. But we did get the room cheap with Wyndham Rewards. So we're not paying much for the room. But we are going to be paying for a lot of other things. Like parking. But anyway, I just wanted you guys to take a look at our room. We've got to go do one of those stupid timeshare meetings. Say hey, Drew.
Hey.
Tell them what.
You don't have to do that.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe for more videos. And check out all our Washington, D.C. videos down in the comment section. I'll leave a link. Oh, you want to take a look at the bathroom? Let's take a look at the bathroom real quick. Got lots of lights for a hotel that doesn't have any. You know, lots of lights. We've got Crabtree and Evelyn Deluxe body lotions and shampoos, facial soap, more abstract art, nice marble shower. Ooh. Big rain shower head. Lovely. Yeah, so like I said, like and subscribe for more travel videos from the Adventures of Drew and Amanda. We thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Peace out.